In today's quick and easy video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to make Google Chrome your default browser. To get started, the first thing we'll do is go to the Windows Start icon at the bottom of your screen. We open it. Once we have finished that, we'll search for and locate the Settings option. We go in. Here, on the left side, we'll look for Apps. After that, we'll look for Default Apps. We'll click on it. In this section, you'll see AL, the applications you have installed. We'll look for the one we need, which is Google Chrome. We'll click on it. We go in. Up at the very top of the screen, we'll go ahead and click on the button labeled Set as Default. For each of the default values, if Google Chrome hasn't been set yet, we go into each one and set Google Chrome as the default. And that is exactly how you can do it for each one, for the entire list. And that's just how incredibly easy it is to make Google Chrome your primary default browser on your computer.